We are playing White Noise online, and Cody said this game's boring. So I got him one tape recorder. Let's see how he fares now.
Yay! How do you jump in this game?
There is no jump.
Why? You can jump up.
He doesn't know what this game's about.
What the heck was that?
Exactly. I'd keep moving if I were you.
Turn the lights on.
There's no lights. Keep moving or else he'll get you. I'd keep on the flashlight. This is gonna be funny. Stop spinning in circles and start doing something. Like going to find the tape recorders.
I don't see any monsters.
You just heard it, right?
Mm-mm.
Go! Run! Go! Holy shit. Okay, I thought that was Slenderman for a second because I'm looking through the camera recorder. Start moving! You can't hurt the monster! Therefore, you must run.
I'm running.
Or walk.
This game is boring.
Oh my god, just keep playing. Follow the blood tracks.
There's nobody here though.
Exactly. It's supposed to be a horror game. Oh my god. You were just in this freaking room. Oh my god, stop going in circles! He's close. I can tell. I can hear it.
Close to what?
Hey, there's a tape recorder! Right there! Oh my god, how could you miss it? It's right there. A, hold A, there. How could you miss it? It was right in front of your freaking face. Oh, that kind of scared me. My finger scared me. I'm such a wimp.
This game is not scary at all.
Because you're playing on easy.
Ooh, look at the stars.
You look back down, he's right there.
The stars
Keep
are so
going.
beautiful.
Keep looking for the tape recorders. How come you haven't seen the monster yet?
I know, right? Ooh, that guy. Weird Egyptian.
Keep looking around, Cody.
I am.
No, keep going in that direction that you were going. Don't change direction like right in the middle. Wait, you were just in that room. Go a direction that you didn't go before.
I think that might be a fishy, right?
It's a fishy! Fishy, fishy.
That guy's ugly.
Oh my god, stop staring at a wall! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god!